Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now today I'm doing a burger with a difference. It is called a black and blue burger. It's absolutely delicious, so let's get it on. Right, first things first, we need to get our burger bun and toast the inside of each side. Just toasting it on a dry frying pan until it's nice and golden brown. And then we shall put it to one side. In the same pan I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And as it's getting hot I am going to add 2 slices of back bacon. Now as usual just going to fry them both on either side till they're nice and crisp. Now in a black and blue burger, the blue tends to always be blue cheese. The black however can be different things to different chefs or different recipes. The black in my case is black treacle, or you could use molasses. I have here 1 teaspoon of black treacle and I am going to try and get it onto the bacon. As you can see, it is going very slowly. And this will add a lovely sweetness to the bacon. You could also add maple syrup if you like. I didn't have any, but feel free to use that too. And eventually I get it off the spoon and onto the bacon. Just cook it for a couple of minutes. You don't want to overcook this, and then we'll put it to one side. Next I am taking 220 grams of minced beef. I'm going to add a good pinch of salt and of course some black pepper. Get my hand in and just mix it all up. And when it's done I am going to split it into 2 and then roll them up into 2 equal sized fairly loose balls. You don't want it too tightly packed. Just roll them in your hands and that'll be fine. Next, into a really hot frying pan, I have a cast iron pan here. I'm going to put both the beef balls and then I'm going to squash them down. I'm going to put a bit of parchment paper over the top so it doesn't stick and then squash it down. Not as much as I would a smash burger, but fairly flat. Again, just squash it down so it doesn't stick to the spatula. And we're good to go. And it's just a case of cooking the burgers to your liking. I would suggest a couple of minutes on each side, but it's up to you. Then with the beef done, it's time to assemble our burger. First take your favourite burger sauce. I'm just using the Heinz one here, but you can make your own if you wish, or use your own. Place our first burger on the bottom half. Then put our lovely, now very crisp bacon on top. Followed by the blue. Finally got there. This is a slice of dolcelatte, which is very rich and creamy and will melt on its own from the heat of the 2 burgers. Talking of which, there is a second burger which goes on top. Followed by something healthy. You'll have to have something healthy in a burger, surely. So some shredded lettuce. And of course a slice of tomato, or 2 slices in my case because my tomatoes were fairly small. And then just top it with the other half of the burger, which has been dolloped with the burger sauce as well. And that's it, our burger is ready to eat. That cheese by now is starting to melt, just a little squashed down, and our black and blue burger is complete. Once again, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all in the next video.